Hi students, in the previous recorded sessions we discussed about singular and plural noun. Example, pen, pens, chalk, chalk, child, children, baby, babies, knife, knives, boy, boys, girl, girls, teacher, teachers, student, students. Either we can add yes or like IES or you just have to add yes. You know, like in the previous session we discussed conversion also, like if a word is ending with a vowel and y, then you just have to add yes. ऐसा हम लोगों ने सीखा था. Today we shall be dealing about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns in the sense where you can count it. Example, you take biscuits. I can count. Example, if this is a biscuit, 1 biscuit, 2 biscuits, 3 biscuits. I can count it. Count it. What about water? What about water? Can I count it? 1 water, 2 water. Can I count it? No, I cannot count it. If I say pens or candles, you take it candles. See, I can count 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles and 4 candles. I can count it. What about happy? Can I count this happy? No, I cannot count it. 1 happiness, 2 happiness. No, I cannot count it. Okay? See, biscuit is a noun, candles are also noun, water is also noun and happy is also a noun. But few things we can count it, few things we cannot count it. Example, I can count these books. It is 1 book and 2 books. These are countable now. But what about water? See, there's water inside it. Can I count water from here? Like, I can say 1 bottle. But what about water? 1 water, 1 पानी, 2 पानी बोल सकती? नहीं बोल सकते. लेकिन हाँ, 1 बॉटल 2 बोतल बोल सकते हैं, या तो फिर 1 चौक 2 चौक्स बोल सकते हैं. बट पानी को बोलती 1 पानी दियो मनसे 2 पानी दियो बोलती नहीं बोलते. Isn't? So उसे हमें क्लासिफाई करते हैं as countable noun and uncountable noun. ठीक? Understood? Now we shall see. Countable means which can be counted as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uncountable noun means which you cannot count it. Which you cannot count it. So, uncountable nouns have 6 kinds. Example, feelings. हमारे जो भी feelings होती, जैसे के happiness, जैसे के happiness, sadness or angry or fear. This is. So this is first. Second kind is materials. Materials like wood, sand. देखो, तुम्हें बोलती हैं क्या 1 मट्ठी 2 मट्ठी नहीं बोल सकते, isn't it? लेकिन हाँ, अब 1 बेंच बोल सकती. अब उसमें क्या तो है क्या, वो बेंच का जो मटेरियल बन वो है 1 लकड़ी. अब मेरे को इमेजिन दिस, आई वॉन्ट दिस बॉटल. कैन आई से कि एक प्लास्टिक दियो मंचे? नो, वी से अ बॉटल, 1 बॉटल दियो बोल. लेकिन जो ये मटेरियल बन को है वो क्या है? प्लास्टिक का है. सो वी डोंट से इट. तो वो नहीं काउंट कर सकते. सो वुड, सैंड, प्लास्टिक, गोल्ड. So these things, material noun cannot be counted. Next is subjects we study. What are the subjects you study? Subjects we study. Example, are English, Urdu, Hindi, Kannada, and so on subjects. Whatever the subjects we study, we don't count that subjects. म्हणजे बोल को नो. और बोलती एक पानी दो, एक जूस दो. सो दैट इज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. जैसे कि चपाती, chapatis can be counted. Like milk, rice, sugar, lemonade. Lemonade is नींबू का पानी. Lemonade is नींबू का पानी. Qualities. Qualities like bravery, strength. हमारे अंदर जो खूबियां रहती नहीं, डिसिप्लिन, this cannot be counted. Honesty, goodness, and things we do. 6 is things we do. जैसे कि our classwork, our homework, travel. See, these are the things or types of uncountable nouns. Types of uncountable nouns. Types of uncountable nouns. Firstly, we have feelings. Feelings मतलब जैसे कि मैं खुश हूं अभी, that I cannot count it. ये खुशी, दो खुशी, usually we don't say it. So it is happiness, sadness or fear, anger, गुस्सा. म्हणजे ये गुस्सा आला. Do we say it? No, we usually don't say it. We just say म्हणजे गुस्सा है. गुस्सा we cannot count it. Next we have material. Example, this sweater. This sweater is made of a nylon. Example, I cannot count nylon. अब ये स्वेटर में जितने तारा लगेंगी मेरे को काउंट कर सकती हूँ. Hence, materials काउंट नहीं कर सकते. जैसे कि मैं बॉटल का एग्जाम्पल दी, वो बॉटल प्लास्टिक से बन गई, लेकिन कितना प्लास्टिक वो ग्राम्स में मेजर कर सकती, लेकिन एक प्लास्टिक, दो प्लास्टिक बोल को हमें काउंट नहीं कर सकते. सो मटीरियल. सब्जेक्ट जैसे कि इंग्लिश है, कैन आई काउंट इंग्लिश? इंग्लिश एक इंग्लिश, दो इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं? नहीं बोल सकते. सो इट कैन नॉट बी अनकाउंटेबल. नेक्स्ट, फूड एंड ड्रिंक. खाना म्हणजे ये खाना जो बोलती, वी डोंट से इट राइट. ऐसा आप एक दो लगा सकती हैं बोले तो वो काउंटेबल हो जाता है, एक दो नहीं लगा सकते बोले तो वो अनकाउंटेबल हो जाता है. ठीक है. एंड क्वालिटीज. अब मेरे पास ताकत है, आई हैव सो मच ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड ब्रेवरी. कैन आई काउंट? एक ताकत है? No, we cannot count it. So that becomes uncountable now. Next, things we do. I do my classwork. Do I say कि मैं ये class work करी, मैं दो class work करी? We usually don't say it. So that is the uncountable now. मतलब आपको इतना याद रखना है कि uncountable means which cannot be counted. जो हम गिन नहीं सकते, एक दो बोल को गिन नहीं सकते. So that is uncountable now. ठीक है. If you have any doubt, now also you can just contact me through WhatsApp. Feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. And in this pandemic, stay home, stay blessed. Bye-bye.